Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. So we were on Aliexpress again, and we were looking about how we can improve the versatility of our pressure washer by getting a longer hose so we don't actually have to keep moving the pressure washer around. So we found this 10-meter hose for a Karcher fitment. Now this is a JCB pressure washer, but we have a Karcher quick connect connection piece on it, so we can use the Karcher hose. And it came with this adapter piece. So we're also going to try connecting the 10-meter hose to our existing 6-meter hose to see if this leaks. So, if it doesn't, in theory, you'll have 16 meters, which will be plenty. But if not, 10 meters is still a fantastic upgrade, and hopefully it doesn't kink like a normal Karcher hose. No one likes a kinky hose. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay, so I've already made sure that it connects to the Karcher lance, so that's all connected in, that's no problem at all. And this is the Karcher quick connect piece for this JCB pressure washer. Just make sure it connects here, because if it doesn't, there's no point even going any further. That's it. Connected, seems tight. So I'm going to turn the water on now, and we're going to make sure there's no leaks. Okay, so I've turned the mains water on this hose, and I've had it set up to maximum here, which is 120 bar in this case. So I'm going to turn on the pressure washer, and we're going to see if there's any leaks coming from the quick connect or coming from the lance. Nope, looks absolutely fine, no leaks there. So let's see if we can use the dirt blaster to remove a bit of green from this backyard to make sure that there's no loss in pressure, since we've gone from a 6-meter to a 10-meter hose. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've reconnected the original Karcher 6-meter hose to the Karcher lance, and I've connected it to this extension piece. Now I have my reservations because you can have a gap of about a centimeter, somewhat maybe half an inch to an inch gap between both pieces of pressure washer hose. How are you going to maintain the pressure in this middle bit? Is it just going to kind of go out everywhere else? Is it going to leak? So, but I'll just show you connecting it to this. You push down this little retaining clip, put your hose in, and let go. So this now holds it in. I'm going to turn the power back on, turn the water back on, and we're going to see if there's any leaks. And then we're going to test to see if there's any leaks. So with the mains hose connected, there doesn't appear to be any leaks that I can see so far. So I'm going to switch on the pressure washer, get that 120 bar back pressure going through it, and then we'll have a look. Okay, so with the pressure washer turned on, I don't see any leaks yet. And I'm just going to turn on the lance. No, it looks like it's okay. Like, it looks like we now officially have 16 meters. So we can choose between 6, 10, or 16 meters. Okay, so we brought the pressure washer out. It is absolutely lashing right now. This is why I've changed over to a camo jacket, if you can still see me, of course. But we have the pressure washer at the side of the house here, where it's a bit more protected from the rain. But always make sure that if you're washing anything in the rain, see if you can cover it. You don't want them to get direct downpour. They're splash proof a little bit, for the nature of what they are. We also have the extension lead in a little bag, but maybe a waterproof extension lead is next on the list for us. Now we've brought out the 6-meter hose plus the 10-meter hose with the extension. So we have a ridiculously long 16-meter high pressure hose connected to this. I don't know why you would ever need 16 meters. Maybe if you wanted to wash 2 cars in a row, but I'm just going to show you by walking around the Audi, rinsing it, how effective it is now and how ergonomic and convenient to get around a car without having to move the pressure washer. Okay, so I managed to get around the car and then some using all 16 meters. What I did notice is you actually have to walk the hose. When you get to the end of the car, walk it down. When you get to the side of the car, walk it along, because it's just ridiculously long. I wouldn't use 16-meter hose myself. Um, but yeah, what I also noticed is that connection piece between the 6 and the 10 meter, it gets caught on like the concrete on your driveway. So you have to like flick the hose up and down to make, to loosen it so you can actually drag it along. But would I recommend getting one of these 10-meter hoses for £16.30, including the extension? Whoa, yes, I would. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.